Hey, what's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to Free Friday. Alright, today we're going to be talking about these little two-note glissandos. Now, I have another video on this, but this is going to be kind of a more simplified version of it, and I'm actually going to give you some licks to kind of just start trying it on. The first thing you have to know is that it's really easy. It's two notes, and it's just going to take practice to speed it up a little bit and get it into your playing so that it sounds natural. That's going to take time. Let's jump right in. The first thing we want to do is choose a note on the harmonica. In this case, we're going to start with 3 draw, and then we're going to go down to 2 draw, back up to 3 draw, and then down to 2 draw. Just like that. And then just kind of speed it up. Okay, so the temptation is to try to do like almost like a head trill, like, and if you can hear it, kind of has like a swiping sound, like just it sounds like it looks like over exaggerated. So what you want to do is just get used to going nice and slow with a good tone on each note, and then speed it up gradually until it feels normal. That's all it is. And then just gradually. And then you just start mixing it into your playing. What this is these little glissandos are also can be called little embellishments. So once you have that head motion, you can really move it anywhere on the harmonica. So I just went up to 4 draw, 3 draw, 4 draw, 3 draw. And then I just kind of end back on 4 draw. So I could do the same thing with the bottom one. And then you just start moving around and having fun with it. Okay, let's take a look at putting that last one in a lick. So we're going to take this old stock lick that everybody uses on every instrument. So it's just a 4 draw bend-ish, 4 draw bend, 3 draw, 2 draw. So I kind of hit 2 draw twice on the end. Getting the idea, right? Now, if I wanted to, I could put a little embellishment on the top with 5 draw, 4 draw, 5 draw, 4 draw. right? So you start to get into instantly wanting to put in 3-note glisses, because right here's the movement. It's just 2 notes. But after you get comfortable with that, you just start tacking on notes. Right, just slide down to 1 draw. 4-note. We hear little Walter and everybody else doing that too. Right, from the bottom of the harp to the top. And you can do the same thing on the blow. You can also try going the other way. So I just went down. So the blow ones are a little bit harder for me. In cross harp, you don't really need too many of the blow ones. Just kind of start moving them into whatever melody you're doing. So it's just that 1, 2 draw, 3 draw, 2 draw. Right? So I'm just grabbing the neighboring note. That's even easier than the one I started with. And I can grab the neighboring note above or below. Right, like that, or so either or maybe I can do both. Right, anywhere. Yeah, I like that with the both, right? Let's just wrap it up right now with this real quick Free Friday. So what we're doing is we're putting these little embellishments, these little 2-note glisses into licks, into songs. You can use them in anything you got. That's it. Free Friday, short, quick, and easy. I've been having a great week. I just got done doing a private seminar here in New Orleans with 5 incredible students. I got a gig I got to practice my butt off for this Wednesday with the great Mike Dillon. If you don't know who Mike is, look him up. He's a really, really interesting musician in person. Anyway, I'm playing with Mike on Wednesday at the Maple Leaf, and then going out on tour, headed down to Florida, and then we're doing a huge Northeast tour for all of June. We're really excited. The new record's coming out May 29th. Anyway, thank you guys for everything. Appreciate you all. Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. Over 1,000 harmonica-related videos. Everything from gear to lessons to blues stories to stuff about my personal life, addiction, mental health, jail, anything you can imagine that has anything to do with playing harmonica or harmonica in general. right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. 20 years of YouTube right here. I'd like to thank some of the people that make it possible. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, bringing you the very best in harmonica microphones, pedals, anything you can imagine that has to do with the harmonica besides the harmonica itself. Lone Wolf is doing it, family-owned company, right up the road from me in Ponchatoula, Louisiana. Randy Landry and his beautiful wife, Missy, family-owned company, doing the very best they can to bring you quality, guaranteed products that are all assembled right here in the United States of America. Blue Moon Harmonicas, you can get your name on the harp just like me. Custom combs, pre-war harmonicas, harmonicas from the Sonny Terry estate, all makes and models, just about anything you can imagine. Tom Halchak from Blue Moon can do it for you. And I play Hohner harmonicas, and Hohner hooks me up with some great harps that I love. They're like sports cars. I dig them. Pedal pad, pedal boards. Two brothers out of Topeka. They found me. I was already playing their stuff, and they called me up and said, Jay, we want to support you. They made me a brand new pedal board this year. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's held up to the rigors of the road. I've seen some fancy pedal boards from some other companies. They're amazing, but they don't match the quality and the durability of pedal pad made by two brothers out of Topeka. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget, harp gear, amplifiers. Even though you see me on a Twin or a Fender Bassman at home in New Orleans, when I just need to bring something up real quick, I'm grabbing Carmelita. That's my HG410 from Harp Gear Amplifiers. Brian Purdy out of Ocala, Florida. Thank you to Patreon. Patreon is the one who's keeping these videos free for you. If you've seen one of my thousands of free harmonica lessons, it is because people are contributing to Patreon. I'm not gonna lie, I'm motivated by a little money, right? The videos are free here for you because Patreon is supporting me. It's giving me $1, $5, whatever it is that you can contribute a month on Patreon. That's what's happening. They get a little extra. They get some private Zoom meetings, some private lessons, some behind the scenes vlog stuff. All of that's over on Patreon. All of the links to all of this stuff is right below every single video. Thank you again to all of my sponsors, and thank you, Patreon, for your support. If you don't want to be a member of Patreon, I understand that. You can leave a one-time tip at Venmo or PayPal. Those links are right below this video and every other video, and on my channel page right here on YouTube. All the success I've had, whether you're a Patreon patron or you're supporting my sponsors or not, is because of you, the viewers on YouTube. Whether you subscribing, leaving a comment, liking the video, or sharing, you are helping me in some part. You don't have to do all of it or any of it, but maybe you could do a little of it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.